In today's video, let me show you how to fix the Facebook cannot delete post. So if you're trying to delete a post within your Facebook profile and if you're having issues with it, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now the first thing that you can immediately do in this situation is try to clear out the app cache of the Facebook application. Just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Head over to storage and just tap on the clear data option and then tap on clear cache. Once you complete this first step, try to see if this fixes the issue. If the issue still persists, the second thing that you can try out is try to log out of your Facebook account and then again log in back. By doing these first two steps alone, you should be able to fix this issue. However, if the issue still persists, what you can then try out is try to uninstall Facebook from your device and then again re-download it. Sometimes what happens is bugs cause these sort of issues, and once you have the latest version of Facebook, these sort of issues should also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.